Yeah, pretty girl, big up yourself because you're born pretty. Yeah, nobody can get your prettiness. Big up yourself, a girl back says so. Yo.
I'm in a little own space and we have one place there over what's the name again? Over Slick White Line. And we didn't know where I rap. Me have two little tunes I ever sit down and write, but none of them never finish yet. Cause true me I say, you see the music thing, brother, I know my thing that. I tell you that's what me used to say, right? I'm gonna sit down and I'm chop a tune, the tune go, you know the buzz tune them I always say. Talk true, what you talking about? A cheese of the buzz, no doubt, talk true, what you talking about? A money me a chase while them a chase cloud, say cheese for the camera, but a little smile, party little more me a papa smile, Kyle, all over the world, people love up my style, tell a pedophile say follow the little child, and my time now, excuse my bad mind, loving on my heart, and money on my mind, them can't bridge me, you see me? My bus tune that when I build long time. And the woman come on there at this up Lisa, like she said. She come and sing a this song. But we were like, come on, it's Friday fuckery radio. This is not about this. You're looking at hit. Why would you come here with that? Bitch, go one side, me run away, you see me? Though if you look at fame from somebody, you go look at for one artist. Why somebody you know never do music, but them Tracy, but them never do music. You go rub them in a song. All that work out. Whether that occur or not, cause and you know me I deal with it like how it's supposed to be dealt with. Me I beat the dirty woman with a leather belt. Whoop! Hold them there. Now you ugly dark blood clad face. The woman ugly one and come tell me to go back in the zoo. Me look male Joe, talking truth, crump down by the liquor girl. The liquor girl will bleach and nano boss. Yeah, people. So alright, they said this, so that's why I'm going to sit down and build back a tune. And this song you come with, so me come with that nasty this song for you. You're supposed to feel that here too. You're supposed to sorry that you go make a song and call my name in it. Me I beat you with a leather belt in your blood clot. What them there?